piece right here. Okay, not bad. Man, listen, I think this is actually doable. Now we can wrap these pieces like no problem. Look at this guy. Okay.
YouTube was good, man. It is your boy Mouse, man. Look, you see it, Mouse Trap. Like and subscribe. And we ain't even got to talk much no more. Alright, so, man, this is officially part 1 of Chevy Silverado build. Look, it's right there. Chevy truck, right there. This is video part 1, and we're going to get started on these door panels today. As you can see, it is 7:22 in the morning. And what did I say? The early worm gets the worm, and we are in a crunch time, so that means that, you know, we have to work a little bit extra harder. So we do what we gotta do to make sure that we make it to the Car Audio Nationals. I think that's what it's called. Flyer once again right here. We'll be out there, and we have to work a little bit extra from here and then to make sure that we get our truck done, and we're out there jamming and meeting some of you guys out there. But, you know, for today, it's door panel time. Some of you guys actually like the door panel videos. I love the door panel videos. I love building door panels. You know, we always try to push them to the next limit. So today we are actually gonna go and see what we can actually do with these. I'm not even gonna, you know, go into hacking my doors just yet when we have these doors that we could probably work off of. And we are gonna see what exactly, you know, we can do with them. My main thing is, I'm going to try to disassemble them right now and see what's going on behind here and what can be done so we can, you know, avoid not messing up our door panels. But we're going to see what we can do with these door panels. Sit back, hit that like, man, subscribe to the channel, man, because we're about to do something funky with that truck, man. So let's get to it. If you guys been watching the videos for a good little minute, you've seen that we built door panels in a white Bighorn truck. And we actually did some doors almost similar like these, but it was like for like 3/8 and 2 tweeters on there. And we made molds of the door, and then we put rings on the doors, and then we came back, fleeced it and resin it, you know, the whole, you know, steps that we usually take whenever we do fiberglass, which is fine. I was gonna do a setup almost like this, you know, with rings, tweeter rings, and then a plexiglass, but I think I want to do like, it's time to, you know, get with the program and the trend, do the speaker grill mesh thing and everything, have them looking really badass. But I want to try to keep them, you know, as not simple, but, you know, a little bit unique and different from everybody else's. A lot of people, what they do is they tend to build like a base on the actual door panel, and then they mount the speakers to that base, and then, you know, the panel just somewhat sits on top of it, on top of the speakers, and which is fine and everything, but how should I say this, like, I don't know, it's just really not my thing doing that. I would rather mount the speakers to the actual panel itself, but I guess with doing that, there's not that much weight on the door panel itself, but the door is still rather heavy. And I didn't really want to make these doors kind of heavy, so that's why we're narrowing it down to just 2 10s, 2 tweeters maybe. But you know, it could change. You know, we have enough space to do anything that we really want, but we still wanted to make the door not look as bulky and popping out. We still want it to look nice and casual. Whoever built it, Obviously, they had an idea, but their execution, they didn't really go the extra mile. But that's just, you know, the steps. That's how you just learn car audio. You know, so we're not knocking this guy at all, whoever built these. That's just a step. This is how you learn. You know, at one point my door panels looked horrible. So it's all a part of the learning process for anybody who does car audio. I mean, you know, everybody starts from somewhere. And, you know, within time you progress. We're actually going to see if we can break down the door. So we're going to turn the door over. And then we're going to see how this door is actually put together. So you see, you know, they have these like plastic rivets, I guess you could call them. And then there's like bolts and screws that hold handles in. Same thing with the armrests and stuff like that. So we're actually going to go ahead and I'm going to take off all these clips and I'm going to put them in the bag and save them because you never know when you're going to need them. And then we're actually going to get a drill bit, and the way we're going to take a lot of these things out is we're just going to like drill them out. So as you can see, like this thing's already been modified. They broke the armrest piece, which is fine. We can, you know, either buy a new one or build a new one. But we're going to see if we can break down this door and how crazy it is to look. How crazy it is underneath there, or, you know, to put it back together. Because like this was their finished product, you see? It was carpet, so it's a lot easier to wrap. And look, they're seam. You see it? But we don't want that. If we're going to do a door panel, we're going to wrap it all in one and make it look really bomb. Next, we're going to get our drill and we're going to take this assembly out. And then I think we're going to need a 7mm, so I'm going to get my 7mm ready. Thickly screws, and you see like there's a clip right here, so we're actually going to go try to take this guy out real quick. So you see it was just a matter of push, and now we got it. Door handle is off. Not that bad. Okay, so now let's actually take these screws out and let's take off any other screws that we got to take off. Okay, so let's see if the armrest comes off real quick. Oh, look, there's another 7mm. It's hiding. Yeah, we got him. Armrest is off. Not that bad, not that bad. But this door is kind of like damaged, like a lot. Like whoever built this door, they like really destroyed some stuff. Look, you see? It's not even held on pretty good. This thing can probably be taken off. Okay, look. We're going to slide this guy off so we don't have to ruin it. You see? Okay, bam. Nice. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Starting to like this door panel already. So now what I'm guessing is this can come out. This can come out. And then this can come out. And then we're going to have to probably grind these guys down because we need them flat. And then we're going to have to grind down a lot of this stuff down. Because you see there's like resin everywhere. And we don't want, whenever we go to do our fiberglassing, if we're going to do it. Oh look, you see like there's screw holes right there. That's pretty cool. When we go to do this thing, we don't want it to look rough underneath. But you know, that's, you know, we'll handle it. Now what we're going to do is get a drill bit. We're going to take these drill bits and we're going to put them back where they were at. These guys, we'll take them back where they were at. And we're actually going to go ahead and get another type of drill bit. We're going to drill those guys out. Okay, so this is actually like a lot. So we're just going to have to like way we just want to break it. All broken. So I got this like unhooked. We drilled out all those plastic rivets out, and now we're actually gonna see if there's anything like there's still some stuff there. Oh, that's a part of that door. Okay, so I think pretty much this thing's almost ready just to come out. Maybe we have to drill these guys out as well too. Let's go ahead and just drill them out just for the panel is officially apart, guys. Look, bam, we got it, and we got a phone call. Let's answer it. This door, man. Let's see what type of magic this is. Okay, so this is one piece right here. Okay, not bad, man. Listen, I think this is actually doable. Now we can wrap these pieces like no problem. Look at this guy. Okay, bam. So this is the piece that we would be working off of, guys. And this right here is actually not that bad. I'm not even going to complain about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even going to complain about it. It comes off rather... It's still a pain in the butt to get off. But versus what it was and what it is now, it's a big difference. Now, I am going to say one thing. Wrapping down and then coming back out flat with it, that's always an issue with wrapping door panels. But big but. When you have a nice BS stapler, we have a heat gun, and we have really awesome, how should I say this, vinyl. And they actually do make a line. Look, I'll show you. Vinyl book. So we actually have Alante Black. That's what we usually use for the door panels. And then this one's actually a Prodigy. This is what we actually use on the door panels that we did for that white Dodge Ram. And Carrera Black, but the Carrera Black is like more like a texture, and that's not what I want. I want it to somewhat keep the integrity of the truck. And they, man, let me see if I have them. Okay, so right here we have a few vinyls. Let me see. Okay, so this one right here is the Prodigy, and you see like it doesn't have that much stretch, you know, factor on it. I think this one's the Alante, where you see it stretches a little bit more. And I think this is the All Sport. And look, no, this is definitely the All Sport right here. All Sport, and this is the Alante. The All Sport stretches like crazy. You know, this one would be the best one. And I actually like the texture on it. You see how it's a little bit more grainy. Another leather as well too, but you know, it's not that stretchy like that. This guy right here, look, boom, it stretches. So when we actually get to these areas right here, man, we're going to be able to stretch it, drop it, and then pull it. And then, you know, we'll be able to do it all the way over there and tuck it in here very nice and neatly. And, man, this door panel is going to be amazing, guys. Because my thing is, I didn't want it to look like a pod. You see what I'm saying? I definitely didn't want it to look like a pod. So now it's actually going to look like an actual door panel. And I was going to do grill mesh. I probably still am. But I don't know. We'll see what happens. This actually makes me feel a little bit better knowing that these screw holes are right here. So now that I know that at least we can screw the door on and we don't have to worry about it coming undone. Because mounting is very critical. I don't want these doors sagging or anything. And we're just going to get brand new clips so that like pressure, whenever you go to put it on, it's going to definitely be there. So man, we're on the right track. Good thing that we actually took the time and went and did this. Because now we don't actually have to sit here and, you know, mess up our door. So one day we can put our door back to factory
So now what we can actually do is like the armrest and that plate right there and the switch panel, we can just move all that to this, so it looks like a whole brand new door. And my door actually has like splotches of like wetness and stuff like that that I actually want to take off, so it has a new look to it. And we're gonna wrap this all in the same vinyl. But I think what I'm gonna end up doing is, man, I like Alcantara. Alcantara is what they put in the supercars. So like in this section right here, we're gonna do black Alcantara, because we're gonna do black and black on black with the silver on the door panel, because you know, it has silver inside, and we're gonna put LEDs in it so it can like illuminate really badass. So these door panels are probably gonna take us at least 2 weeks to build, but now that we know that it is, you know, doable, we're gonna go ahead and just keep going forward with it, and we're gonna get this all right. Okay, so now you guys seen that we can take these door panels apart. I actually already put accessories that came off the door. I put them in a bag, wrapped the door handle. It wasn't actually that bad of a condition. It was just kind of dirty, but I am gonna clean it off and polish that handle so it's still brand new. So the least amount of components that we have to take from that trip to put them onto these door panels, the better. But if we really have to take off like the handle and the control switch, where we're going to have to, we're gonna do so, because we want everything to look fresh. We need the mousetrap gang mobile to be on point. Which wraps it up for today's video, man. I hope you enjoy this. And if you guys have a Silverado, man, just tear the door apart, man. You know, don't do stuff like this. You know, I mean, you can do stuff like this, but, you know, take your time. You know, it's not a rush. You know, it's never a rush. It's your truck. If you feel that you're happy with it the way it looks, even if it looks like this, man, so be it. You know, whatever makes you happy, whatever gets your truck done, man, just do it. You know, never knock someone's installation or nothing, because we all do what we can, and as long as it puts a smile on our face and puts a smile on other people's face, man, you know, that's what it's all about, because we are here at the car audio community to enjoy each other's builds and jam out like there's no tomorrow, man, because we're trying to change the world one car audio system at a time, man. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later on today, man. Stay tuned for later on today's video, man. We have another video dropping around like 7 o'clock, man. So let me finish cleaning up. I'm going to take that other door panel apart. You guys already seen this one to get taken apart. So we'll catch you guys later on, man. Peace.